and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phone Zones today with me, Karishma. And today we are going to talk, or we are going to see a gadget which is latest release out here and will be launched. It has already been launched out and will be releasing out in the global market very soon, and that is Fairphone 3 Plus. Yes, हम अब बात कर रहे हैं Fairphone 3 Plus की, and this video is all dedicated to the review and to see how this gadget is all about. As well as we are going to see the photos, we are going to check how the gadget is, the official pics leaks out there, as well as their structurality, functionalities, and everything we are going to see. Now, talking about this variant, now talking about Fairphone brand itself, it is a very not very we can say renowned or very new brand. It is an old brand out here and has always been bringing up really amazing gadgets in a very profitable rate. If we talk about rating of this variant, then we can say it always brings us gadgets which are quite good in productivity as well as in structurality. They are also good. Now, when we unbox it, yes, first comes the unboxing of a gadget, and when we unbox this gadget, you get to see a handset. This handset is mandatory. What is the gadget all about? Handset you get. Along with that, you get to have the earphones as well as you get to have the charger and the user manual. These are mandatory things out there in every gadget, and you get to see this kind of things in this gadget also. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great range of you can say specifications. चाहे वो बात इसकी डिजाइन की हो, चाहे बात इसके इंटरनल फंक्शंस की हो, everything is really important. As well as when we talk about Fairphone 3 Plus out here, then we can say that this gadget has got really amazing look. We won't say that the look is not disappointing also or very appreciable. We have seen these kind of designs early back in 2012 to 2015 models. Now it's time for have very sleeky design gadgets, and this variant offers you a thick model. Yes, this offers you a thick model out here. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can see that this variant is offering you a great range of specifications, a great range of productivity. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you some productivities in the, you can say, internal functionality. It is a single camera phone out here with a selfie camera. Internal processing is good out there. Overall, if we talk about this variant, then this is quite a good version out here. So this is the official look of this gadget, and when we talk about the official looks, then we can see that this gadget has got a good frame design. It is slightly thick. Yes, if you check out the thickness, it is slightly thick. Usually we don't see these kind of thick phone out now. We see very sleeky design, very thin designed slide design phones out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a resemblance to you can say Apple's phone, not in the placement of touch screen or something like that, but in the placement of the design. Now, why we say design placement? We have seen Apple's gadget earlier. They were also thick. They were small. They were thick. It also seems like that. Nokia's few gadgets also used to be like this. So we can say that Fairphone series is something like that. Now, when we compare it with Fairphone 3 and this is 3 Plus, we are expecting that it will be released out in the global market in September. Yes, launch has already been done. The trailer has been released. Its pics has been disclosed, and as well as you have got to know the specification, everything has been disclosed out. So now it will be globally available by September, and it is expected that it might have the date. Official confirmation of the date is not yet there, but it is expected to be by 14th of September. So we can expect it in September only, until and unless all the official dates are given. Now, talking about this variant, we can see that this variant is offering you a great design specifications out there. Along with that, we have already told that it has got earphones inbuilt in it. Everything can be seen out here in the box. Now, when we talk about earphones, talking about specifications will be later. But when we talk about earphones, then you get to see that they are detachable. Yes, we can say they are slightly detachable, not overall, but slightly detachable out here. As well as their design is quite different. Yes, earphones design is slightly different out here, as well as we get to see that the variant is also very different out there. Now let us talk about the specifications of this variant. When we talk about the specifications, when we talk about this gadget, then we can say it has got a screen size of 5.65 inches. Yes, it has got a screen size of 5.65 inches out there. So this is really amazing out here. You cannot neglect out this very amazing thing. As well as it is having a weight less than 200 grams. Yes, the weight is also less than 200 grams. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a good screen size, a good resolution. Apart from that, you get to have a display of IPS LCD capacitive touch screening. The touch screen out here is really good. But when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great range of specification, a great range of productivity, along with a lot of other things. Where now, when we talk about this variant, we can say the resolution capacity is quite good. Yes, the resolution capacity is also quite good out here. Uh, but these are just the external functions out there. This is display out, the design good out here. Now let us talk about the internal functions also. And talking about the internal functions, number one comes the operating system, chip system out there, the platforms used in it, because they are the ones which tells us or declares the results of every gadget. Talking about this, then we can say that this variant is offering you a chip system, or we can say process maker of Snapdragon 632. Globally, it is having Snapdragon 632 out here. Along with that, you get to see a very good operating system which is being used in it. Yes, you find a very good operating system out here as well, along with Android 10, and you will also find that this operating system Android 10 is quite good functional with the Snapdragon, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 632. You also find that the chip system and the operating system are working very well in collaboration with the octa-core processor or the CPU maker out there. So overall, the internal functions are working very well. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got slight thickness out there, but this thickness does not mean that the variant is not giving a good resolution. It is giving a good resolution also. Along with that, you get to see that it has got a very good storage capacity. Yes, 64 GB storage capacity along with 4 GB RAM is a very good storage capacity out here. Apart from that, you also get to see that the expandability and the dual SIM technology are out there. Yes, you get the dual SIM phone out there. This is one of the most important variant out there, because either we see a single SIM variant or a hybrid dual SIM variant. So having a dual SIM dedicated slotted phone is a must now. Along with that, you also get to see that it has only single rear camera. Yes, you will find that it has got a single rear camera. Whereas now in 2020's gadgets, we get to see that they have quad camera phones. So this is a slight drawback also, that it has only a single camera. But this single camera is also very good, which is a 48 megapixel. Yes, it get to have 48 megapixel rear camera. Along with that, you get to have 16 megapixel selfie camera out here. Yes, 16 megapixel selfie camera could be seen out in this variant. When we talk about this variant, we can say that the video recording or the video quality is quite good. Yes, when we talk about video quality, then they are quite good out here, as it has got a very good functionality. It helps you to know about a good capturing capacity, good exposure. Everything is really good out here. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, that is Fairphone 3 Plus, then we can say that it has definitely improved itself. Earlier, we had seen that Fairphone 3 was having a less variety in the camera quality. 12 megapixel camera was seen out here with low battery out there, with less useful, or we can say low output in the storage capacity. These kind of things we have already seen. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a good battery life of more than 3000, but approximately we say 3000 because the original battery life is about 3040 mAh, so we round off and say it is 3000 mAh. Now this is what all about the few specifications of this gadget. Now when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a good range of connectivity. If we talk about the Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, NFC, it's infrared points. If you talk about USB, any kind of we talk connectivity, they are really good. If we talk about Bluetooth, it's jack system, it's we talk about any other specified version, everything is really good out here. Now, if we talk overall, then overall we can see that this gadget has got really some amazing points in it. If we check about the charging slot, if we check the charging slot out here, then you get to see that the charging slot is quite good out here. Yes, you get to see that the charging slot is nice. Volume buttons and power buttons have been placed very well out here. You get to see a very good placement of power button, as well as you get to see a good placement of buttons, every button out here. Now, talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great range of, we can say, functionalities. If we talk about functionality, then our camera is really good. Its internal functions are good out here. Overall functionality is really good of this variant, that is Fairphone 3 Plus out here. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great range in connectivity and overall functionality. But as we say about this product, there are drawbacks also. Yes, you get to have drawbacks also. The major drawback to this variant would be the camera, only that it is having only a single rear camera. Where we have moved from single to quad camera, it is still offering you single camera. But a good point for this is that this single camera is also very good out here. Along with that, it has definitely improved over the period of time. Yes, Fairphone has definitely improved over the period of time. So this is all about the review of Fairphone 3 Plus out there. And if you would like to know more about any other gadget, stay tuned to our channel because it offers you best pricing, as well as it offers you the latest information for your gadgets and a review of your latest release out there. अगर आपको किसी और मॉडल के बारे में जानना हो, if you would like to know about any other model, do let us know in the comment section. Till then, take care.